Hey guys, and I am going to show you that I can sneeze with my eyes open. First, you have to like and subscribe and share this video with all your friends and siblings. And you should do that at least about 5 seconds probably. Yeah. Sounds good. Bye. 4, 3, 2, 1. Splashed off. Your time is done. Okay. Yeah. Achoo. Wait. No. That was a fake sneeze. I'm sorry. Achoo. Did it. Like and subscribe. Peace.